to be asked to the Prime Minister of India is that who has been ruling Bihar for the last 20 years? It's the JDU along with the BJP. So why doesn't the Prime Minister talk about what they've done for Bihar? Have you noticed the Prime Minister of India never talks about what they do for the state? That is how people win elections, of what they do for the state. It is always finding fault with the others and what they have not done. We have not been in power. We will do when we come to power, and we have said that these are the things. We will put 2,000 rupees in the banks of women. We are going to give 200 units of free electricity. Now, why have they given 10,000 rupees to women at the last moment to start businesses? They could have done it much before. They could have done the free electricity before. Why are they giving it now? So does a ruling party, when they are in power, give slews like this at the end? They should have done it much before. So instead of blaming the others, the Prime Minister has to look within and ask, why is Bihar one of the most backward states after ruling the state for nearly 20 years? That is a question you need to ask the Prime Minister of India. I don't expect anything. It is again things like buying people. That is what the Prime Minister of India is going to do. Like he says, Revedis, that's what he's going to do, and nothing else other than that. Because what would today the manifesto should have been for them is what they did for Bihar in the last 20 years. Definitely, because the Prime Minister of India is definitely a coward. Donald Trump, one, has said that he's done the ceasefire millions of times, and still the Prime Minister is quiet. Then he says, I have told the Prime Minister of India to stop buying oil from Russia. Who is Donald Trump to give us orders? We are a sovereign nation. Nobody has the right to give us orders, and this is not done. Let us remember what Indira Gandhi did when the 7th Fleet was sitting at the Bay of Bengal. She told them to get lost. That is what Indira Gandhi said. And she continued to split Pakistan into two, and we helped Bangladesh get independence. It is very shameful of Mr. Hardeep Singh Puri to say something like that. 1984 happened, and in Parliament, Mrs. Gandhi as well as Mr. Manmohan Singh have expressed regrets. The Sikh community has come up. They are well placed now. We have made a Sikh as the Prime Minister of India. We've tried our best. Yes, what happened then was wrong. But in 2002, what happened? Nobody talks about it. It is terrible what happened. The massacre of Muslims happened at that point of time. And after that, the Prime Minister of India says, Mr. Narendra Modi was the Chief Minister then, says that it was like a puppy going under a car. That is how he treats Muslims. And has he uplifted the Muslims of this country after that? No. Even in his state in Gujarat, they are like pariahs. All over India, even Giriraj Singh is the other day abusing Muslims. So where is his Sabka Saath, Sabka Vikas? We believe in Sabka Saath, Sabka Vikas.